I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the break. Note length, depth, and whether the edge is stripped or splintered so you know how strong a repair must be. Next, gather clamps, quality wood glue and epoxy, sandpaper, a small saw and chisel. This combination buys you strength and a neat finish. Once done, clear dust and degrease the area so adhesives bond properly. Ventilation matters when using epoxy. Make sure clamps match the edge shape to hold parts accurately during cure, because alignment prevents gaps later. You now stabilize and rebuild. Dry fit broken pieces to confirm alignment, then scribe and clean gaps. Removing loose fibers ensures adhesive reaches sound wood. Apply wood glue or epoxy into the joint, and for missing chunks insert purpose-cut filler strips or a backing wedge so you rebuild original profile. Once placed, clamp firmly but not overly tight. That squeezes out necessary adhesive and closes gaps. Remove squeezed adhesive with a damp cloth before it hardens. After cure, remove clamps and carefully trim high spots. Sand progressively from 120 to 220 grit to match the original edge profile and feather transitions so the repair is invisible. Once shape is right, test fit finishes. Stain or paint to match surrounding color, then seal with a clear top coat to protect the joint. If you notice a small visible gap or void, stop. Fill with tinted epoxy or matching wood filler, sand smooth, and refinish. This prevents moisture ingress and restores structural integrity and appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.